Hey, this is Ed, your landscaping coach. In one of my videos, I mentioned to you about functional and non-functional turf. Well, I'm going to show you what a definition of non-functional turf is. This is a commercial site here in Torrance, California, and I just want to show you that it looks like this particular site is going to be prepared to do a drought-tolerant or water-conserving landscape, where all the turf right now has been sprayed so it could be killed and eventually taken out. They sprayed not only the main yard area, but also the parkway. And you see right here, all the parkway has been sprayed with some type of herbicide to be able to get rid of the turf. But all this grass out here, this grass area, is what really determined as non-functional turf. Basically meaning that there's not a lot of activity that goes on out here from a human perspective, but from a nature perspective, we have to look at it from a whole different concept and perception. As you can hear, there's birds and stuff in the background in these trees. And one thing about this turf, that it was supplying water for these trees. So it's going to be very interesting to find out what type of irrigation that these trees are going to get. I mean, they're pretty well established, so I'm pretty sure they're going to survive. But these trees have been used to getting a certain amount of water every day, every other day, however often there was being watered for this grass. And if this turf is probably being watered on a daily basis, or at least a couple times a week. And so I'm really curious to find out what type of landscaping that's going to be put in here in this area, but also how these trees are going to survive and deal with the fact that they're not going to be getting the kind of water that they were getting prior to this change out. But they should be able to save quite a bit of water, that's for darn sure, because it's a lot of square footage of turf area that they're taking out, because it's not only on this side, it's also on the other side of the driveway leading into this office park. So this is what is called non-functional turf. This is grass area where there's not too much of any human activity going on. It's just basically facing the main highway here. And so this turf is just giving aesthetics. But from a biological standpoint, you got to think about all the different biological activities that are going on underneath this turf, and how it's supplying certain types of biomes for the soil profile. But you can see there, it's a lot of area that's going to be taken out and replaced with some type of drought-tolerant and water-conserving landscape. And up here in the upper planter bed area, they have this grass. I think it's called Nacelia or something like that. But this stuff is pretty invasive. It looks good though. It looks nice. It's nice and flowing compared to some of the other commercial sites I've seen from the standpoint of putting in drought-tolerant, water-conserving plants. But one thing about this particular plant, it's pretty invasive. Once it goes to seed, it goes everywhere. As you can see here on the curb, some of the seeds are germinating along the base of the curb there. So it's going to come up in there. And with the seeding coming off of this plant, this is the seed head. You can see the seed heads there are really small and fine. What's going to happen is this Nacelia is going to get all into this area here. And so whatever they're going to install in here, it's going to be a mess. With the turf in here, it helped to suppress a lot of this Nacelia or this grass from infiltrating and taking over in this area, this grass area, because this grass is probably pretty thick. So the seeds weren't able to get down into the dirt and germinate. But once this is taken out and all this Nacelia goes to seed, you're going to have this stuff blowing in and coming in this area here. And so you're going to have pockets of this stuff come up over a period of time. Because you can see down in here, there's areas, see that? These are seeds that are inside of the cracks of the asphalt. So you can imagine what it's going to look like out here It ain't funny, but it's just something that I'm a details guy. It's something that's going to happen here that's not going to be expected, that the owner of this building is going to be ticked. I mean, they're doing their thing to save water, but I'm going to say stay tuned and watch the magic at this place. So in the comments, let me know what you think about this. If you think it was a great idea to be able to take this landscape out and save water, would you also take out these shrubs here and replace them? I mean, they're already established, so it's kind of hard to want to take them out. It'd be pretty costly. But give me your comment in the comment section of what you would do in order to help suppress the inevitable that's going to happen here with this grass. And also, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so when videos like this come out, you can be able to check them out and put your opinions in there. Tell me what you think. Be sure to share this with others. And as I always tell you in my videos, stay tuned and watch the magic.